How to get Oakcha's discount code. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, open any of your browser and go to the website of worthpenny.com. Now, from the search bar, you have to search for Oakcha store. Once you go to oakcha.com, you will see amazing offers and discount codes. But make sure that you check if it's verified and the expiry date as well. You can scroll down to view different kinds of codes available, along with its expiry date and offer details as well. The best offer is on the top, so just tap on it and it will take you to another page. Now from here, click on copy to copy the code. Now you can just tap open another tab or just tap on the shop button. Doing so will take you to Oakcha.com's website, and from here you can log in into your account and do your shopping. Once you have put it into your card, while clearing or checking out, you will see an option to redeem your code. Thereby, you can just paste your code and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.